Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is about macromonster.com Ecuts. Somebody that took my suggestion and looked at it and bought it just this weekend actually sent me a couple ideas that I never have even played with. So if we select both of the, okay, let's just do it in Corel. I've got a yellow circle and a green circle. If we go back minus front, it takes away one of the shapes, and that's cool enough, and it is. And if you go front minus back, it takes away the other shape. But inside of Macro Monster Ecuts, they have a deal called Effects and Magic Trim, and we can set this thing on. I have yet to find out what the numbers represent, but the larger the number, the bigger the separation. So it kept both items, but it put a boundary around it. So if you ever wanted to draw something like that, let's back up here and make the number less. Go back to Effects, Magic Trim. I have to select both shapes. Go up to Effects, Magic Trim, and let's set the number this time to 2. And it just separates them. It trimmed it away. And you could do the exact same thing that we're doing inside Corel. You could probably set the number on 0. Got to select both shapes. It's so smart, it knows what it's doing. Effects, Magic Trim. Let's set this on 0. And what it's going to do, it's going to trim that away, but they're going to be just like in Corel. The other one he kind of suggested, and it's really cool, is this one right here called Slice. So let's take an oval. We'll turn it blue, take away the outline. That doesn't really matter. Let's zoom in here. And what is cool about this, so we'll go under Effects and go to Slice, and we're going to slice it 10 times, or 20, the width of 10, and hit Apply. Look at that. And you could change that number. You could cancel that and go a width of 20, hit Apply. And what is cool about this, you could take this now and left click, right click on the fill, and you have cut lines if these are hairlines. And it'll do any shape like that. Let's take a square. Let's rotate the square 45 degrees. Let's go ahead and color it in with blue. Let's go back to Effects and Slice. We'll use the same parameters. And look at that. I mean, that's just amazing. And you could print it like that, take away the outline, or take away the fill and add an outline. So you can cut that out. Very handy. So anyway, like I've said in all my videos, I have no ties to them. I'm just telling you what's out there. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.